Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to enter the display. As you can see here, we've got the eye comfort, and before we will actually customize it, we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns immediately yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, if you really like to use your device at night, then this mode is totally for you. It will be much easier for you to use this device. So in order to customize it, we have to enter this section, and as you can see, we will start maybe with the intensity. We've got the switcher. Right now it is far away for the right, and basically it is the warmest setting we can use, and by going to the left we can make it colder. However, it's still visible that we've got this filter applied. So it's of course up to you which option, which intensity is the best for you. What is more, you can schedule that feature. Currently we've got this none option, which simply means that you can turn it on and off manually. You can turn it on at custom time, so you will simply pick particular hours for the start and the end time, and your device will automatically turn on and off this mode. And you can pick from sunset to sunrise, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are, and I believe this option is location based. It's up to you. I prefer this none option, so the manual option. And here we've got the whole customization of this feature here in this device. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, so you don't have to always get into the settings to find the eye comfort, you can always unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and here you've got the eye comfort icon. Right now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and the same situation if you want to turn it on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.